Imagine the beginning of everything, not as a silent explosion from nothing, but as a collision. Two immense cosmic realms slamming together in the void. And from that impact, our universe splattered into existence. Some scientists call it the ekpyrotic model. Others, the universal splat. But what if ancient civilizations already knew this story, long before physics gave it a name? In modern cosmology, there's a theory that challenges the traditional Big Bang. It suggests that our universe exists on a three-dimensional brain, floating in a higher dimensional space, and once upon a time, another brain drifted close. When these two colossal membranes collided, the impact released an unimaginable burst of energy, a cosmic splat that became the Big Bang as we know it. Matter, light, and time itself rippled outward, and our universe began to expand. Even today, NASA's telescopes show galaxies colliding, leaving behind beautiful, chaotic spirals of energy, small echoes of that ancient, universal impact. Some cosmologists believe this might not have been the first time either. The universe could be part of an eternal cycle, a repeating rhythm of collision and rebirth across infinite dimensions. But long before we had string theory, the ancients told eerily similar stories. The Sumerians spoke of Tiamat, the cosmic dragon, split apart to form the heavens and the earth. The Egyptians described the sky goddess Nut, separating from Geb, their divine collision creating the space between. The Norse spoke of fire and ice meeting in the void, birthing the first being Ymir. Different cultures, same message. Creation was not calm. It was an impact. So here's the question. Were these just myths, or symbolic memories of something the ancients witnessed? Something passed down by beings who remembered the moment when universes collided? If the universal splat theory is true, then everything, every atom, every heartbeat, is part of that original impact. We're not just living in the aftermath of creation. We are the splatter, fragments of an ancient collision still expanding across eternity. So tell me, what if the universe didn't begin? It collided.